Hey guys, so we are going to start out with the Daydream palette from the Urban Decay and Kristen Leanne collection. Love this one, by the way. I've been using it a lot. It's so pretty. I'm going in with the shade Lucy, which is a really pretty matte bone shade, just to kind of brighten up under my brow. Excuse my brows, they're not done yet. I didn't really feel like doing it. I'll get to it later. And now we're going in with the Kaleidoscope Dreams palette, which is what we're going to use for the rest of the eye look. I'm going in with the shade Spitfire first into my crease, which is a really pretty, almost like a duochrome-y fuchsia shade. It has a little bit of a like blue shimmers in it, but it's a fuchsia, so it's really pretty. I love how it turned out, even though I normally don't go in with like shimmers in the crease, but this look and this palette kind of called for it, you know what I mean? Now I'm going in with Dye, which is this like royal purple shade, throwing this in the crease as well. Of course, doing my typical winged out shape. This just suits my eyes best, but of course you guys can alter this to whatever shape you guys prefer. Some people don't like to wing it out, some like more of a rounded look, and that is totally cool as well. Just make sure you end up with a nice kind of blended look as you see here. And then now I'm taking a little bit of concealer to kind of create a little bit of a half cut crease. I like this look lately. I've been doing it a lot. If you guys are annoyed of it, let me know, but I don't know, I just really like how it looks, and it makes it look like I'm good at eyeshadow. You know what I mean? Sometimes you gotta fake it. And now I'm going in with Brixton, which is part of this duo-toned eyeshadow here. It's on the right side. It's like a white with a little bit of like yellow and pink flecks in it. It's really pretty. I love this. It has a ton of pigment to it too. And I'm going to kind of color over where I put that concealer. And then to kind of blend everything together, I'm taking a little bit of that Spitfire shade, that kind of fuchsia pink, and kind of taking a little bit of that and blending that into the deeper colors in the outer corner. And now I'm going in with the black, which is 13th Floor. And I'm just going to kind of create a little bit of a smoky liner almost, kind of creating a little bit of depth in the outer corner. And then I'm going to kind of wing it out a little bit as well, adding more product after the first go, since I feel like some of it blended away as I was moving it around. So I really like how this is turning out, you guys. The first look I created was a little too aggressive. I used the blues, but these purples are super wearable. I love it. You guys might be laughing when I say wearable, but wearable for me. Now I'm just peeling off the tape, and see how it gives me a nice crisp line. I don't know, I can't do that on my own. And now I'm using my Makeup Geek Plumeria liner on my waterline to create a little bit of that kind of purple brightness on my lower lash line, but I'm not doing shadow under there, so that's all we're doing. And now I'm going in with some false lashes, as you see, and that is what we have so far. And now I'm going in with this Urban Decay blush in Bittersweet. I kind of forgot I had this, but I thought the color would be perfect. It's not as crazy purple as it looks in the pan. You don't put a ton of it on your face, know what I mean? And now I'm going in with my new favorite mascara. This is the Kevyn Aucoin The Volume Mascara. This is so nice. I love the tiny little bristles. It's really stubby, and it makes your lashes look really thick, which I'm a fan of. Going back into Brixton, that kind of white shimmery shade, and highlighting my inner corner. Now I'm going in with the Beauty Beam highlighter palette and highlighting my face with this. I was really impressed by this. I don't know why. I've never used Urban Decay highlighters before, and this formula was really nice. So I don't know if the rest of them are like this, so let me know what you guys think if you guys have tried it. Of course, once I'm finished, I'm setting everything with the Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray. Hope you guys like this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos every week, except for when I take breaks. I love you guys. I'll see you next time.